What's up, y'all? Man, it's been a cool minute since this video gonna be out, but all these clips are just clips of just me and my daily life. Whether that's with my friends, car meets, whatever. But the reason why this is so out of order is because I got a new phone, got a new job, so I've just been busy, you know, just trying to adjust. Man, I hope everybody's staying safe with this COVID stuff. But no further ado, let's get straight to the video. Please like, subscribe, and all that. Hey, what's your company name?
Zero Below Grill.
Yeah, hit them up.
I got my jersey on right now.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, Titus. Don't put me on the video. I kill niggas. I'm on the video. Kill niggas and I send them to Mexico. In the trunk.
Oh, hell no.
Cam's gang with it, you know, we out here.
Yeah.
Boy True behind the camera.
Behind the
you know,
camera.
Anything to give
Yeah.
you a little engine of his little car rev.
Start boxing, bro.
You guys start boxing?
Yeah, bro. We need to start boxing again.
Start boxing?
Yeah, bro. We need to start boxing again.
All right,
No, I'm going to Canes, fool.
No, they ain't pulling me.
On the other side.
So I brought this boy back home. Boy clean. Before I go to bed though, because I got work in the morning, I got a couple things to do. Take off this front license plate and then throw on my Broadway mirror, and then I'm gonna call it a wrap for the night.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, this fucking needs blood.
What's going on right now, man? What's going on right now? I can't hear It is getting loud.
End of the night, we about to go mob. You know, just a little bit. Ran into a couple cars. Yes, sir. You already know what's going on, man. We out here. Damn, son got the yellow hood. Hey, Hunter, tell him why you got the yellow hood, bro.
All right, so this is a limited edition hood. You know what I'm saying?
Oh shit, okay. Shit.
Took 300 pounds off the car.
300 pounds. It's not because
No.
your
Nope,
hood
not at all.
smashed into
Nope.
the. Oh, okay.
Nah.
Okay.
Crack the windshield.
You say you gonna take off on his ass? You burn? Hey, you'll burn his whip just. You don't want the smoke? Go. What are you sipping? What the fuck?
Face on it. That shit crazy.
For real.
19 grams.
Come on, bro. It's for the video.
I'm not racist.
Bro.
Be helicopter.
You picking up speed right now.
Shit, I'm like 40.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga. For Christmas, about to end up the video right now, but before I end it out, my dad gave me my Christmas present early, so I pulled up to my local Art of Attack, picked up a little shift knob, and we're gonna get straight to it. Oh shit, my light turned off. It's motion. All right, so got this off. All it needs to take this off is 14. And there's like these 2 flat sides, you see that? There's another one on this side. Throw it on real quick. And then I think clockwise. So this way. This way. And then the shift knob should come off right away. Oh, my hand's ashy. You see that? I don't even know why I'm putting myself on blast. What the fuck? Anyways, I'm about to throw this bad boy on real quick. And then put the sticker. I was watching a couple videos on people installing these. They said to be really careful with this because if you over tighten it, you could like strip it, or if it's too loose, it's gonna be wobbly. So just keep it snug. That's all. If not one. So there's a little. Let's see if I can get it. This right here. You had to tighten it with the Allen key. I only did it until it got snug, and then probably a half a turn, and then because I'm afraid of stripping it. Now everything's lined up. You just want to get your 14mm back at the flat sides again. And instead of turning it clockwise, you want to do counterclockwise, and that's going to tighten it. Once I tighten it, I'm just going to throw the sticker on, and then it's going to be installed. All right, so everything installed. I tried to line it up the best I could. I think that looks pretty solid. I did notice it looks a lot like, say a little bit taller, not a lot taller. Roll through the gears real quick. This one feels obviously heavier, but I wanted to try something a little bit different. I liked how the shape looked online. I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks. It's actually a lot skinnier than I realized, but that's okay. It's cool though. So yeah, pretty satisfied. I'll let y'all know how that goes in a couple weeks or months, years. Shit, we don't know. I'm so inconsistent with these YouTube videos, but shit, it don't matter. Like always, like, subscribe, dislike, comment, don't comment. I don't give a fuck. Subscribe. Yeah. But other than that, that's it. I'll catch y'all.
No, do how you was doing it. No, you was like.
Check out Static. Hey, check out Static on YouTube.
They came through with the Jolly Bee.
What are we doing today, bro? Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck? What's the?